All right, I have been working on trying to get this gate fixed. I have replaced this transformer. I got a new battery. I just attached a new battery and I heard this thing beep. I'm super excited. So let me finish putting the arm on, reconnecting the arm. I'm excited. Come on. Get on in there. There we go. All right. And we'll plug up the transformer and then I'll run and get the remote and see what happens. Okay. This might be my greatest accomplishment ever. Let's see if it works. Arm is on. New battery is connected. New transformer. Here's the remote. Okay, you guys, bear with me. Oh, it's doing it. It's doing it. I repaired an electric gate. This is amazing. I've done a lot of things in life, but okay, well, all right. We'll just tighten it up a bit so it won't get stuck right there. But this joker is working. Yes.